To clean cat's ears, there's a variety of different ear cleaners you can be able to use. Those ear cleaners are available through pet stores as well as through your veterinarian. And these cleaners are formulated to be able to remove any extra wax, then also go through and bind like any extra minerals like calcium that could be in the ear. Sometimes calcium can interfere with the activity of certain medications we place in the ears. So then once you go through and be able to have your ear cleaner, you will go through and take your cat. It may be helpful to wrap your cat in a towel so they can go through and be a little more comfortable and also protect you while you're going through and putting the ear cleaner in their ears. You take their ear and slightly tip their head to one side, put a small amount of the ear cleaner into the ear, and then you just massage the ear. Massage the ear at the base. Your cat will probably most likely appreciate it, but they will probably shake their head afterwards. So make sure you're going to be in an area where if they do shake their head, that you're not going to be too concerned about a mess forming. And then just repeat the process for the other ear too. If there's any residual ear cleaner in the ears, you can use a towel, like a paper towel, or even a washcloth to be able to gently blot away any of that extra liquid.